Oh, I heard it beep.
And there's a little light in this corner that you can
I
see
see
out
it.
of the corner of your eye.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Take a picture of you trying out the glass.
Numa, yay. Numa, yay. Numa, yay.
You know the Numa song?
Yeah.
Dude, the Minions would love the Numa guy.
Dude, oh my god, I wish the Minions could meet him.
Like a big Minion. That was mean. Are you recording?
Yes. We always think that this Margaritaville sign looks like a Final Fantasy logo. Man, let's look at the Pikmin situation here.
Hi.
Oh. I was like, girl, who? All right. Oh.
Emerald City eats? Yeah, it does.
Okay, I can't eat any of that. But those drinks are cute.
I know.
I don't really think I need liquor for $17 at 11:21 a.m., but you know.
Wait till like 2.
Let us speak alive. Let us speak right now. On what? Let us rejoice the fire that goodness could subdue. I wish gay people were real. Okay, I won't record this stuff. Sorry, guys. You have to come and see it. The way this is straight up a box. Squish. Squish.
He's after the Allspark.
Hey! Yo! He squirted on me!
Take cover.
Oh!
Guns jammed.
Oh shit! Oh! Boom! Boom! Oh!
Activate.
And they were both boys. And they were kissing. Yeah. Hey.
Yo, you smell it.
Rest in peace, my owl. She got hit by a bazooka. Yeah, I think about it every time I hit the hookah. Kaboom, kablow, kaboom.
I'm gonna pee my pants.
I'm recording.
No.
Do it now. POV, you are drinking water.
You just see it from my view.
I'm drowning. POV, you are drowning on water. Here we are at Hogsmeade Village. I went to Hogsmeade and everyone knew you. Rest in peace, my granny. She got hit by a bazooka.
Can we take a picture of me next to the Hogsmeade sign?
Yeah. I think you could edit that pretty easy into a T.
Oh yeah. 110 minutes on that one.
Oh hell no! Whoa. We're about to ride the flight of the hippogriff. And I used to ride this a lot when I was little, and it was the flight of the unicorn ride. There was one time I came here with my mom and my stepdad and my sister, and I think I rode it like 15 times in a row or something like that.
Go on, that.
Bow. You're supposed to bow. Yes.
I'm gonna hold my hat and the sunglasses.
Oh.
Just in case it gets a little too crazy.
Too crazy. Oh, jeez Louise. And well,
What a little roller coaster. Look at my fishnets.
look how short I am compared to you.
I know, I'm really in here.
Can we compare hand sizes? Wow. Oh my god, your hands are
Wait,
so big.
use my jerking in hand.
Oh, okay. To the landing.
soon it'll all be data centers.
Oh, imagine. We could put a meta AI center right here. We're sitting at the comic strip cafe. Oh no, wait, yeah, no?
No,
This is Blondie's.
something like that.
Whatever. We're in the comic strip place. And we got sandwiches from Wimpy's. It is a giant vegan chicken patty. Oh my god, I can't even pick it up. Oh, I got sauce over my hand. Vegan chicken patty with vegan pepper jack cheese,
Pickled radish,
aioli. It's on a Kaiser roll. What is this? It's like, I think it's seitan.
This is good. And it's a big sandwich.
Yeah. Ketchup for scale. It comes with fries. Oh, my sauce is busting through my bun.
Mine too. You could put pickled radish on a pile of dog shit and I'd eat it.
Did you guys hear that? I never would have thought to come over here to get a crazy good vegan sandwich.
And it is crazy good.
We're here at my favorite ride ever. Ooh. The freaking velocicoaster. Look at her. Okay, goodbye. Oh, it's almost lit. The Mummy. 8:38. Park closes at 9. Little Mummy nightcap.
Move that line over there.
What could go wrong?
There is no mistake. Your end shall be my beginning.
That was awesome. Wow. If you can read this, you are gay.
You read that?
Yeah. Wait, I mean, no.
Are you insane? Get out of here! The curse is real! This whole place is a trap! He's after your soul!
There he is.
Silence. With your souls, I shall rule for all eternity.
Are you scared?
I'm the most scared I've ever been in my life.
And savor riches beyond measure.
Ooh. A lot of y'all would fall for this. Oh, oh, hell no. They got roaches in here. Oh.
But even the Magi can save you now. There is no escape. It shall be my beginning.
Here we go, baby. Souls are mine! Oh! Oh, shit! Yeah! Whoa, there's so much to look at. Woo! Perfect timing. King Bob! Yo, who sang it? Damn! Oh shit! Yay! Okay, okay. Cute.